Worry steals your peace, your energy, and your happiness. But what if you could let go of stress and feel lighter in just 1 week? In this video, I'm giving you a 7-day plan to stop overthinking, release worry, and step into peace. Worry is a habit, but so is peace. And the good news, you can train your mind to stop overthinking, worrying, and start trusting. This 7-day process will help you shift from stress to calm, one simple step at a time. Let's start with day 1. Before you can stop worrying, you need to understand what triggers it. Today, take a moment to reflect on what thoughts, situations, or habits make you anxious. Awareness is the first step to change. So here's the exercise. Write down 3 things that trigger your worry. Most worries are based on what ifs that never happen. Today, practice reframing your thoughts. Instead of saying, what if this goes wrong? Say, what if everything works out? It sounds so simple because it is, but it works. Many people tend to think that they are fantasizing if they think of a positive outcome. But the truth is, since the outcome is unknown, then if you are thinking of a negative outcome, that's fantasizing too. Try this exercise. Write down one worry and flip it into the positive possibility. Worry grows when we feel powerless. But here's the secret. Action beats anxiety. If there's something you can do about your worry, do it. If not, release it. Let it go. Here's a simple action you can take right now. Identify one small action you can take today towards a worry that you have. Your mind needs a break from constant stress. Today, start a daily peace practice. Meditation, deep breathing, journaling, or just even sitting in silence. Spend 5 minutes today in stillness. Not everything is in your hands, and that's okay. Today, practice releasing control over things that aren't yours to fix. Write down one thing that you're releasing today. Worry often comes from doubting ourselves, but remind yourself, you have survived every challenge so far, and you'll handle whatever comes next. Trust yourself. Go ahead and write down 3 times you overcame a past challenge. If you follow these steps, you will have more peace and calm in your life. Walk slower, breathe deeper, and remind yourself, I am at peace. Repeat this saying to yourself today. I choose peace over worry. Make it your reality. If you follow these 7 steps, you will shift your thoughts from worry to calm. Keep practicing these steps and peace will become yours every single day, no matter what is happening around you. Comment peace below if you're ready to let go of worry for good. And if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let's continue our personal growth together. Thank you so much for letting me share this information with you.